Pirandai. It is its Tamil name. It is called hedged in Hindi, Nyaru in Telugu, Pirandai in Malayalam, Vajrabale in Kannada. It is a fleshy succulent creeper that is commonly found all over India. I don't grow Pirandai in my garden as it is found plenty in the farm. I always collect fresh tender Pirandai from thorny bushes around my farm. Sometimes it causes itch in fingers while plucking and peeling its skin. So rub your hands with a bit of sesame oil before handling. Pirandai is rich in antioxidants vitamin C and vitamin E. The reason Pirandai is so effective for people with bone problems is due to the high amount of calcium and phosphorus it contains. Traditionally, Pirandai is mainly for treating indigestion, fractures and sprains. It is also famous as a deworming medicine and is used for treating menstrual problems and as a home remedy for ear pain. Pirandai chutney or thuvayal is very famous in my place. If you have young children at home who don't eat well, try giving this Pirandai chutney weekly twice. In my experience, if we make it tasty, even young children will eat these medicinal plants easily. I have given all the ways that Pirandai can be used to the best of my knowledge. Hope you will benefit from using this wonderful plant. Try to incorporate it often in your daily diet. I have given its more details and medicinal values in the description. Please go through.